What is going on, YouTube? Long time no see. I've been super busy with life, work, a bunch of stuff. But I've got something here that I've already started on and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So, that being said, it's not quite an unboxing of a project I've started. As you can see, it's a fairly large box and there's something protruding out of it. This is a Tom Top Telecaster kit. I still have to figure out what shape I'm going to do with the headstock. I know I need to leave some material here just to help with the string tension, but pretty much this whole area I can do whatever I want with. I do need to finish the neck and fretboard. The frets are actually pretty good for a kit. I would say this is on par with my $1,000 Schecter, the way the frets feel, which is amazing that I paid $76 for this and it feels just like a $1,000 guitar. Of course, it's not been put together yet. I have laid down a few coats of paint. Everything's just kind of set in, just so I could see how it looked. None of the hardware is staying. The only thing I think I'm going to keep is this plate. This bridge, gone. This pickup, gone. This pick guard, this cutout is way too big. The pickup, gone. But this, if you can tell, I didn't smooth the body, but I also have hit it with Chrysler PXR metallic black, which is going to be hard to pick up in here. But the plan is I'm going to mask this off and do some lace work. Now, I know what you guys are saying. Lace, guitar, what? Yeah. It's actually an old hot rod lowrider thing from back in the day. It's gorgeous. If you've not seen a guitar, well, you don't really see guitars painted this way, but motorcycles get painted this way, hot rods, lowriders, mini trucks, I've seen skateboards done this way. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I believe it will come out looking very nice. This is 1 yard of lace that I picked up for $6 at Joann Fabric on sale. A few odds and end pieces. These strings, no clue what they are. They're not going on it. Ernie Ball is what's going on it. This lead, I don't know. We'll see how it is. I've got an Allen key to adjust the truss rod. I've got my, let's see if I can get this right, bushings and nut and hardware for the tuners. The nut goes on the top of the headstock at the top of the fretboard right there in that cutout. That will possibly be upgraded to a graphite nut because better stability with tuning. Planning on doing a tremolo setup on this, like a Bigsby style, because I love the way it looks. It's there. If I use it, great. If not, it looks great. Roller bridge, pickups, I'm going to upgrade with some very beautiful pieces that should technically be tele drop-in replacements. Those of you that don't know me, I have a thing for Telecasters. I've got a Squier telly that I bought when I was 18, and that was my first telly. I've got a Samick metal telly. It's got a single coil and a humbucker and a Floyd Rose. It's a pretty interesting thing. Still the single cut style. And then I've got my Super Strat Schecter Damien 7, which they no longer make. Mine was the last year before you could get it with a Floyd Rose. So it's kind of cool. But I'm going to bring you guys along with this build as it unfolds. I believe you guys will really enjoy it because it's different. I'm using stuff that you can get easy and do it in your own backyard, your garage, wherever. That's rattle cans. That's a rattle can finish on that thing right now, and it looks good. Now there are a few blemishes. I'll show you. I'm not, I'm human. We make mistakes, but these will be covered up. Like I said, this is a base coat. I've got 2 more colors to go on it. I guess you'll have to see in the next upload, which will be next week sometime. But in the meantime, if you please want to see stuff like this, subscribe to my channel. I know it's been kind of an automotive, vaping, blah blah, bullshit kind of channel, but the next little paint project I do will be Christmas presents. And I think you guys will really enjoy it, and it's something different. And I want to bring you guys along and learn with me, because I'm learning how to do this as I do it. I put 4 coats of paint on that thing yesterday. It's still curing. I've got to find the tape. So it's going to take me all week to get it to the next stage ready to paint. So in the meantime, guys, I've been Big Russ. This is Project Concept. Please like and subscribe. Share my videos. Check out some of my older videos. They might appeal to you. They might not. You never know. But I will catch you guys in the next video.